get taught to do that, the rope top, what you think?
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
That wouldn't be good. Tell your mom that you touched yourself trying to do a back flip.
I got to touch that one hand.
Yeah.
You guys know me in that story I can tap it a bit.
Everybody wave.
That's what I'm saying.
That's crazy.
No, I ain't gonna tell you to do something I haven't done.
I still love it. Are we ready? Go through some hands. On the way. Lay on. Come on. That's your left hand as well.
Ain't nothing but a thing. They get the top. It's a little bit more difficult.
Well, made me laugh. You want to hear a joke, Scott? It's always real funny.
There's a spider on your back. You got it.
Be careful, there might be some spiders at the top, Scott.
You kind of look like Spider-Man.
Yeah. Dude, I ain't no spider.
You gotta start. Yeah, get up probably 2 more, and then you can start getting on top.
What if I fall this way?
You'll swing all the way around.
Oh, God.
You got it.
How do I turn around?
Once you get up top, just stand on the top, and then you can kind of slowly turn.
How am I supposed to do this?
Get up, put your right foot up, one more notch.
Yeah.
But and you're kind of going to be leaned over a little bit, and that's when you're going to have to get that left leg up to the top as well. And you're going to kind of have to do pretty much a squat.
You got it.
There you go. Can you swing your right leg all the way up to the top?
There's one more notch right up there.
There you go.
You got this.
You got it.
You got it.
Now you all right.
You got this, Scott. How am I supposed to do this now?
Right now, guys. See if you can't get that. I mean, you're still going to have to hold on, but you got to get your left foot up on the top of the boat.
I'm not that flexible.
You're going to have to get it up somehow.
What's up, ladies?
You got it.
Oh, boy.
You got it.
Rock on.
Now start swiveling around. Get your left foot on the knuckle that you just moved your right foot off of.
See how it's wobbling?
Where your left foot is, get your right. Where your right foot is, get your left foot up there too.
I'm just about to jump from right here.
Well,
Come on, get
you can do it.
There you go. If you move your hand out a little bit, now you can kind of pull your left leg up a little bit easier.
You got it. You got it.
Got it.
There you go. There you go, Scott. You got it. Get it around. Get it around.
Let's go,
Good job,
Scott.
good job.
You got it.
Let's go.
You got it. You got it.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Now just kind of do a squat and kind of get up.
I can't do that.
You're going to have to let go and then kind of balance yourself out as you're standing up. You got this. You can do it.
You can do it, Scott.
You got it. You got.
You fall back. He's got you on the rope.
Alright. Oh, crap.
You got it.
Just kind of steady yourself with your hands out. Once you let go, put your hands out to kind of balance yourself.
I can't do it. I'm about to fall.
You got it.
You can do it.
You got it.
it, Scott.
There you go. There you go. Now start slowly standing up. Start slowly standing up.
You got it. You got it.
There you go. There you go. You got it.
There you
You got
go.
it.
Yeah.
Slowly stand up. You got it. You got it. Steady, steady. There you go.
Good job.
Good job,
You said you
Scott.
got this?
Then once you're ready, say 1, 2, 3, jump.
Alright. 1, 2, This hurts. Oh, I'm about to puke.